I never see a partnership like this. When I share with people about that story, people cannot believe it, how a private company and indigenous people can work it together.
The Yawanawa are Aveda's longest standing partnership. They share our Aveda mission.
We share the common vision of protecting the nature.
And the foundation is clean water. Our partnership over the years has evolved in many different ways. The world has changed quite a bit in 30 years. Aveda considers our partnership to be a cornerstone of climate resilience.
It's humanity responsibility also to care about.
We do a lot of listening and a lot of learning, and that's how we identify solutions to the common challenges that we're tackling together.
We Yawanawa cannot tell our story for our generation today without mentioning Aveda.